Citizens Trust, Cooperation, and Public Service of Local Government Unit, LGU. Good day, panelists. Police Colonel Adonis Rosales, MS Crim, Internal Panel. Dr. Hasmin L. Parino, Chairperson. Dr. John Gerard Pilar, External Panel. Dr. Jean B. Paoyon, Research Professor. And Dr. Cristime L. Magno, Research Advisor. The researchers: Carlo Brian H. Alesna, John Reid A. Daha, Miles Kevin B. Dimson, and Harold Renz G. Dorado. Background of the study: trust is integral to the functioning of any society. Trust in each other, in our public institution, and in our leaders are all essential ingredients for social and economic progress, allowing people to cooperate with express solidarity for one another. It allows public bodies to plan and execute policies and deliver service. Greater public trust has been found to improve compliance in regulation and tax collection. Even respect for property rights is also gives confidence to consumer and inventors, crucial to creating jobs and the functioning to economies more broadly by period 2021. Cooperation is an associative and basic process of social life. Society cannot exist without this. It is the very basis of social existence. It is one of the continuous social process. Dulnova 2020. Cooperation is an important part of our every lives, practically every feature of modern social life, from the taxes we pay to the street signs we follow, involve multiple parties working together toward shared goals. Those choosing not to cooperate can sometimes achieve a larger reward for an individual. In the short term, cooperation is often necessary to ensure that the group as a whole, including all members of the group achieves the optimal outcome. Moskowitz 2018. Public trust leads to greater compliance with a wide range of public policies, such as public health responses, regulation, and the tax system. It also nurtures political participation, servants of social cohesion, and builds institutional legitimacy. Longer-term trust is needed to help governments tackle long-term societal challenges such as climate change, aging population, and changing labor markets. PWG 2021. Rationality and utilization of findings. Generally, this study aims to identify the citizens' trust, cooperation, and public service of local government unit. It seeks the citizens' trust, cooperation, and public service of the local government unit LGU in terms of age, socioeconomic status, sex, educational attainment, employment status, and marital status. Identify the significant difference in the citizens' trust, cooperation, and public service unit LGU in terms of age, socioeconomic status, sex, educational attainment, employment status, and marital status. And identify the significant relationship in the citizens' trust, cooperation, and public service of local government unit LGU. Significance of the findings. This study will be beneficial to the following citizens. The study may provide a better understanding to the citizens in the local government in terms of task, cooperation, and public service. Community. The study may provide the community with a better understanding on the citizens' trust, cooperation, and public service and help them improve these things. Local government unit. The data collected can help them identify the type of approach or programs that will be given to the citizens of the said local government unit. Present researchers. This study will widen the understanding and knowledge of the present researchers of the citizens' trust, cooperation, and public service. Future researchers. This study may serve as a reference for future researchers who may delve into this study. It may widen the scope and provide functional data to aid future researchers. Theoretical framework. This study is anchored on the theories of trust theory by Jack Gibb, cooperation theory of Edward Taylor, and customer service theory by Walter Johnson. Trust theory is the idea that trust is fundamental for higher functioning in all human systems, from our families and friendships to our work teams and social institution. Every individual, group, and organization is operating within a particular range along this continuum. The higher the levels of trust, the more creative, innovative, dynamic, and effective the group or organization will be. Gibb 2020. According to Taylor, certain tasks that are essential for the community can only be complete by a sizable group of people cooperating. The theory of customer service and satisfaction is about remaining customer or clients. Loyalty remains the key element. It is by nature an essentially particular theory. Without a firm grasp or the basic principle of customer or public service, a firm cannot survive. Johnson 2020. Conceptual model. Input. Citizens demographic profile are age, sex, socioeconomic status, educational attainment, employment status, and marital status. The process: trust, cooperation, public service, and the output: result, discussion, conclusion, and recommendation. Methods: design, a correlation research design. Respondents: a survey questionnaire will be given to the citizen in the local government unit of La Castellana. A sample size of 100 participants from the total population will be selected as the participant of the study. Instrument: a two-part survey questionnaire is going to be used as the primary instrument to gather important data in the completion of the study, which are Part 1, Profile, and Part 2, Survey Questionnaire. The profile will include the participants' demographic profile comprising A. Age, B. Socioeconomic status, C. Sex, D. Educational attainment, E. Employment status, F. Marital status. Data analysis: the statistical treatment that the researchers will use in the study are mean and analysis of variance of ANOVA. Ethical consideration: this study will consider the different ethical issues in conducting the research. The identity of the participant will be kept confidential as well as the data that will be collected. No names will appear to the study. All collected data will have a proper handling and will be disposed of 3 years after the study will be conducted. The participants that will take part in this study are voluntary and have the right to withdraw at any point of study. For a specific reason, participants who choose not to be further involved in the study will have no consequence in doing so. Reference cited. Thank you and God bless.